Good morning, everyone. Dr. Alex Hernandez, chiropractor from Life Chiropractic and Acupuncture. I'm here with Janelle, my office manager, and we're going to go into part 2 of strengthening your knees. We did a segment on part 1, and this is part 2. How do you strengthen your knees? People always wonder, how come I feel weak when I'm going up the stairs? How come I get tired when I'm walking at the mall? I need to find a place to sit. Or more importantly, when they go up and down the stairs, they have a lot of difficulty and a lot of pain in their knees and their lower legs. So we're going to show you how to strengthen your knees, and we're going to do this by way of lunges. So lunges is basically a very basic exercise where you bring the knee forward and you bend in. You can hold yourself here, and that helps to strengthen your whole leg, your knee, your shins. So why don't we go ahead and demonstrate a proper lunge. All right, so bend the knee in, okay. And what we're seeing here, she has her quad very activated. Her knee, most importantly of all, is right by her toe, which is where you want to have it. All right, let's switch the leg. And now let's talk about the back leg. So the back leg here is bent properly. She's got her toe here. All right, she's got good form. Her back is straight. This is what we want to see in a proper lunge, okay? So let's have you just do 3 of them, one in a row, so you can see how to do it and the speed. So this is 1, come back up. All right, the other side. 2, and again, thinking about this imaginary line. All right, go back, and let's do 2 more. Again, imaginary line. Back is nice and straight. So those are the 2 things that you want to be considering when you're doing a lunge. Now, the advanced version of this, once you get strong and you're able to do these kind of lunges, you could use the Boulevard. All right, so this is practically in every gym, or if you own one, you could do a lunge, and again, you're gonna bring yourself in. It's more challenging. You're gonna feel a little wobbly, but that's okay. This is what challenges your muscles, your tendons, and your ligaments. So let's show them how to do this one. And again, you come to the middle of the ball, you bend in, and same thing. See, she's wobbling. That's good. That means it's challenging. All right, let's do the other side. And here we see her struggling a little bit more, so we could tell her left knee, her left leg is a little more difficult. You can come back, all right? This is an advanced version. I don't recommend that you do this until you're able to do the very basic, just lunge out with no problems, with no difficulties, okay? So this is your second way of strengthening your knees. So you could do your jogging, your running, you're going up the stairs, and you want to work yourself from 1 set of 10, 2 sets of 10, to 3 sets of 10. And then if you could work yourself up to doing 2 sets of 15, and then ultimately 1 of 30, that will be the ideal repetitions for you. This is how you will strengthen your knee. Thank you.